Welcome to the world of aerial exploration with the Potensic ATOM SE drone. Get ready to discover an exceptional flying companion, designed to push the boundaries of adventure at a very attractive price point. You can find it at the best price by checking the links in the description. From the moment you first encounter it, you'll feel the quality and practicality of this drone. Its remote controller comes with detachable joysticks for easy storage, and by simply attaching your smartphone to it, you can control and view the camera's live feed through the Potensic Pro app. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to start your aerial journey: 3 connection cables to link your smartphone to the remote controller, a USB cable for charging the remote controller, a rechargeable battery, and 8 spare propellers with their screws and a screwdriver. The battery can be charged individually with a USB-C cable. However, no adapter is provided for plugging it into a wall socket. Optional accessories such as a carrying bag, an extra battery, and a charging station to extend your adventures are available in various combo packs. Click on the links in the description to learn more. Note, there is no gimbal protection, so you should handle the drone carefully when taking it out of the bag. Insert an SD card into the drone to start recording images. The SD card is not provided. The 12-megapixel CMOS camera of the Potensic ATOM SE captures incredibly sharp images and breathtaking Ultra HD 4K videos at 30 frames per second. With a 118-degree field of view and a vertical adjustment angle of +20 degrees to -90 degrees, no detail will escape you. With a transmission range of up to 4 kilometers, the PicSync 2.0 technology of the Potensic ATOM SE ensures smooth video transmission, stable shooting, and low latency for a high-definition viewing experience. Weighing only 245 grams, the Potensic ATOM SE is lightweight and easy to carry. Its foldable design allows you to slip it into your pocket to take it with you wherever you go. Furthermore, its intelligent 2500 mAh battery offers up to 31 minutes of flight time. The drone can withstand winds of up to level 5 and provides clear and stable images thanks to shake-vanish stabilization techniques. Please note, it is an EIS, meaning electronic stabilization. There is no mechanical stabilizer. So the camera tilts with the drone, resulting in not always having a straight image. It's challenging to get a stable image in windy conditions. The Surgefly flight control system provides you with a reliable and smooth flying experience. You can choose from 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport, each offering a different speed tailored to your needs. The sport mode allows for a maximum speed of 16 meters per second. With the high-precision GPS positioning system, you can bring the drone back to its takeoff point with just one click, whether due to low battery, lost signal, or simply at your convenience, ensuring you never lose your precious flying companion. The Potensic Pro app allows you to enjoy advanced features. With Waypoint, you can trace a route in multiple steps for the drone to follow. The Follow Me feature allows the drone to follow the smartphone attached to the remote controller. The Circular Flight feature rotates the drone around a point with regular circles whose radius can be adjusted. In summary, the Potensic ATOM SE drone embodies the very essence of aerial adventure. With its innovative features, this drone offers an unparalleled flying experience in its price range. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the Potensic ATOM SE will accompany you on all your explorations, allowing you to capture memorable moments from every angle. Check the links in the description to learn more about the Potensic ATOM SE. If you enjoyed the video, you can like it and let me know your thoughts in the comments. You can also subscribe to the channel to discover many other high-tech gadgets. See you soon for the next video.